Hey guys, I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and a few days ago we posted on Instagram asking for you guys to share some of your cop stories. So we took those, made a list of them, and gave them to a couple people throughout the shop to read, except we're not really at the shop, we're all at home, but you kind of get the gist of it. So here's some of our stories, as well as some of your stories for the best cop moments.
While getting roadhead for the first time, I accidentally rear-ended the car in front of me. First words of her mouth were, "Put your away." My first thought was if my newly installed bumper light bar was okay. Are these even legal to say?
My city police friends and trooper friends were walking to our cars from eating at a local restaurant when two OBS F-150s came racing by us on a US highway. So all four of us run to our cars and go after these guys. The truck that lost the race pulled over and stopped for us. I pulled up behind him and so did everyone else. He had a red F-150 with 20-inch Archon Lincolns and a custom offset sticker on the back glass. I handed him a ticket for street racing and for having no mufflers, told him I liked his truck, and we all left. The winner of that race never slowed down and was never caught. So I guess the guy that took off really won more than just the race.
I've been without a license or insurance for 6 years. Been let go dang near every time. The one time my car did get towed, I hitchhiked home, borrowed a bike, rode to the cop shop, paid them, then rode back to the tow yard and got the car back within 2 hours. I've been there a few times.
Zach says, I was in a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 5.7 Hemi that just had a catback exhaust put on. On my way to school one day, I was driving a wide open road, so I was just gonna see how it sounded when ripping it, and the next thing I see is a dirt, nasty, undercover Charger sitting there. As soon as I passed him, I saw him move, so I did the right thing and pulled over before he even had his lights on. He asked if I knew what the speed limit was, and I said 50, and worked my way down to 30 in 5-mile-an-hour increments. He then asked how fast I was going, and I said 50, and worked all the way up to 78. I should have been arrested and towed, but he let me go and gave me a court date. He didn't show up to the court date and had another officer fill in, and I got it knocked down to 48 and a 30. But at that time I had a probationary license, so it got suspended for my first summer of driving.
Got pulled over for going 5 over as I was heading to the courthouse for a speeding ticket I'd gotten a few weeks prior. Me.
I was going like 20 over taking a girl home after losing my virginity. It was very early in the morning in January, so it was very cold. The cop had already bitched me out for not wearing a seatbelt, obviously the speeding, and for not having my taillights working. Long story short, I didn't get a ticket because his printer ink was frozen. Gotta love Wisconsin winters. They're cold.
I was in my Yee truck and passed a double-wide trailer with a state cop car in the driveway. Got about a mile down the little road and 3 cops pulled me over, guns drawn and everything. They cuffed me up and asked me what I'm doing out here running this little road so fast, and me being a smart-mouthed person, I tell them I'm practicing my best Dale Earnhardt impersonation. Do it for Dale. They all started laughing, still ended up getting tickets and my truck was towed, had to call my mom to come get me, and I got my ass beat like a little kid. It's a real ouchie, bud.
I got pulled over 3 times in one night. 1, doing 42 and a 35. The cop offered to buy my truck because he liked all the fancy lights I had. 2, having too bright of headlights. I asked this cop if I could run my wheel lights and he said it was perfectly legal. 3, I got pulled a half mile from my house and 2 more cops pulled up to me so they could inspect the wheel lights. Told me I couldn't have any light touching the road that wasn't my headlights and gave me a ticket.
Thanks guys for watching the video. If you have anything else you want to share down in the comments below, feel free to do so. Otherwise, if you need wheels, tires, suspension, that's what we do. You can check us out at customoffsets.com. Peace.